Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of traditional cleaning methods that leave your floors dull and dirty? Introducing the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller SA Robot Vacuum and Mop, a game-changing cleaning solution that's about to revolutionize your daily routine. This smart robot vacuum is equipped with innovative features that make it stand out from the rest. With its sleek wood finish and impressive king-size capacity, it's perfect for large homes with mixed flooring. But what really sets it apart is its smart carpet detection system, which automatically lifts the mop by 14 millimeters and activates a moisture-blocking shield to keep your carpets dry and safe. Imagine the feeling of walking on clean, dry carpets without the risk of water damage. The sound of its quiet operation is music to your ears as it navigates through your home with ease. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's clear why. It's well-reviewed and a popular choice among homeowners. The self-emptying feature is a total lifesaver, as it collects dust, refills clean water, and washes the mop using hot water, then dries it with hot air, keeping your home fresh and your robot vacuum ready for the next clean. You can feel the texture of your clean floors and smell the freshness of a job well done. Whether you have pets, allergies, or just want a cleaner home, the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller SA Robot Vacuum and Mop is the perfect solution. It's perfect for busy homeowners who want to come home to a clean and comfortable space without the hassle of traditional cleaning methods. So why settle for an ordinary cleaning routine when you can have an extraordinary one with the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller SA Robot Vacuum and Mop? Upgrade your cleaning game today and experience the difference for yourself. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.